Namaste, friends. Again, I am with one new program. This program purpose is to operate some string to show you some functions of string. So, for the same thing, again, I have prepared one menu where it is shown very first option for palindrome checking, second option for the count number of words in sentence, third is for slicing of string, and fourth one is character frequency in sentence, fifth one option is string concatenation and repetition, and sixth for exit. So this is the menu, and here you can input your choice. If choice is 1 means you want to check this palindrome is there or not, then you have to keep first, you have to enter text. That text whatever it is there, it will store into string, and then it will uh, call this function is palindrome. It is prepared here and the string is passed into that, and that string will receive by this s, means now the value of s will be the just that string whatever it is passed. Okay, and then it is convert into lowercase and replace if blank is there with a blank, and then return value this capital S and small s both are checked. This s is checked in reverse and forward method, and then if it is equal then it will give you here value that is true, means 1. If it is 1 means this is palindrome, it is not there then it is not palindrome. After that, counting word, for that what is there, again I have taken one sentence just stored into string 1 and then passed into this function where this sentence passed into string, and that is received by one variable that is known as sentence. Okay, now what it is done here, that sentence is splitted into the different word, and that is stored into this one, and the length of this word it is counted, and that will be the that return back to this place in total, and that total I will display. Third thing is there, for the same it is given slicing of string, means first I will give some string, starting number where I want to separate, ending number for the separation. Okay, length of this item means this string or sentence. Now it will pass again on this it is passed here into one function. That function is known as slice string, and 3 parameter it is passed. That parameter it will go here and assume that this is a sentence, it is the starting position, it is the ending position. From beginning to this ending position, then it will give that separate from the string and stored into this first 3. Then starting position to last position, that is last 3. Okay, and then middle means from beginning and ending, whatever the position it is given, it is separate and keep into this one. These 3 values will return, which is received into this one, f name, l name, and m name. Okay, like this, and it is printed here. Now next is for character frequency. To count the character frequency, again the text is given here, and the character frequency one function it is prepared. That function it is there, which is getting the value of s. Okay, and here it is generated one this what we can call dictionary. This dictionary is empty, and then character in s, first it will this character variable is there, it will check, and whatever the number is there, the character will consider as key, and whatever the number it is there in frequency, that will consider as that is value. And like that, one dictionary prepared, and that dictionary I will do here again with the loop, the character, and whatever the number is there I will display with the help of this function. After that, last and final, that is, it will concatenate as well as repetition of the text. So to text it is taken, assume that first name and last name, and then this both name it will concatenate, and then convert into the full name, and then this full name will display and then repeat. Okay, for that there is one function, that is for full name, this both first name and last name passed, whatever it is there, it is connected with each other and written, that is nothing, just plus of these two values. Okay, and then whatever it is uh, there, that it is stored into this repeat and name, and then here see, whenever it is displaying, then two returns are there, one is first name, whatever the plus is there, and whatever the full name is multiply with 3, then it is display, it will display 3 times of this one. Okay, like this. And last one is that for the exit 6 option, and through that user will move out from this one. So this is one program which is included number of strings. Okay, functions how to utilize, and that menu driven program where I have used loop as well as condition. Okay, in this condition statement I have used nested if even. Here it is nested if. Nested if means the if condition within the if condition, that is one kind of nested if, that is also used. Elif also used. Okay, like this it is the program for menu based program for showing some functions of string. Hope you can understand this all thing. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.